Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best component video cables is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components in achieving a truly immersive audiovisual experience, especially for those who still cherish their older gaming consoles or high-definition media players. These cables are designed to transmit analog video signals across 3 separate cables, typically red, green, and blue, which significantly reduces signal interference and color bleeding compared to composite cables, resulting in a sharper, more vibrant picture that can make a world of difference on larger displays. If you're looking to squeeze the absolute best picture quality out of your existing equipment without upgrading to newer digital formats, understanding the nuances of these cables is paramount to unlocking that pristine visual fidelity. Number 5. 3 RCA Cable Audio-Video Composite Male-to-Male DVD Cable. Introducing a brand new, high-quality cable designed for your audio and video needs. It offers a reliable connection for all your devices. This cable features 3 RCA male connectors on both ends, perfect for connecting video equipment to your television. Enjoy a straightforward setup. Experience sharp and clear video with this composite RCA audio and video cable. It's specifically designed to deliver excellent picture and sound quality. With its ultra-flexible PVC jacket and color-coded connectors, installation is simplified. Get connected quickly and easily without any hassle. This convenient 6-foot cable provides ample length for connecting your devices without being too short or excessively long. It's the perfect fit for most setups. What we like. This cable offers a brand new, high-quality connection for your audio and video needs. Its ultra-flexible PVC jacket and color-coded connectors simplify installation, making it a breeze to set up. If you're looking for a straightforward, reliable cable for basic connections and easy setup, this is the one for you. What people say. The cable is well constructed with sturdy connectors. It provides a clear and crisp picture with no signal loss. The length of the cable is generous, allowing for flexible placement of components. Number 4. BlueRigger Component Video Cable with Audio. Experience superior video and audio with this high-performance cable. It's designed for exceptional clarity and durability. Easily connect your devices with 5 RCA connectors for component video and audio. It's perfect for a wide range of electronics. Built with double shielding, this cable offers improved durability. Enjoy a reliable connection for years to come. This cable is compatible with all your favorite devices, including Blu-ray players and HD TVs. It ensures seamless integration into your entertainment system. Enjoy crisp and clear visuals with support for resolutions up to 1080i. It brings your movies and shows to life. Rest assured with our limited lifetime warranty. We stand behind the quality and reliability of this essential accessory. What we like. Experience enhanced durability and superior signal quality with this double-shielded cable. It supports resolutions up to 1080i, ensuring a clear picture for your viewing. If you need a robust component video cable with audio that's built to last and comes with a lifetime warranty, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The cable is well constructed with sturdy connectors. Provides a clear and crisp picture quality, significantly better than composite cables. The length is adequate for most setups, allowing for flexible placement of components. Number 3. TENINYU RCA Audio-Video Cable for PlayStation. Easily connect your game console to your television using this audio-video cable. It features 3 color-coded connectors for a superior audio and visual experience. Get ready for a fantastic gaming experience. This cable ensures you get the best possible image and sound quality from your console. Enjoy the convenience of an extended 6-foot length. This provides more flexibility in setting up your gaming station compared to shorter cables. This cable is perfectly compatible with PS1, PS2, PS2 Slim, and PS3 consoles. Connect your favorite games to your TV or monitor with ease. If you own a PlayStation, this is the ideal audio-video cable you need. It's a true necessity for any serious gamer looking to enhance their play. Designed for PlayStation consoles, it delivers super clear video and sound. It's also a perfect replacement if your old cable is broken or damaged. What we like. This audio-video cable is specifically designed to enhance your gaming experience on PlayStation consoles. With its extra length, it offers greater convenience for your setup. If you're a PS1, PS2, or PS3 gamer looking for a dedicated cable to deliver superior image and sound for immersive gameplay, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The cable is well constructed and provides a clear, crisp picture. Excellent signal quality, no interference or degradation. The connectors are sturdy and fit snugly, ensuring a reliable connection. Number 2. 3-in-1 Wii Wired Motion Sensor Bar Kit. Elevate your Nintendo Wii gameplay with this all-in-one accessory kit. It provides accurate motion control for an immersive experience. Enjoy precise and accurate motion tracking with the upgraded sensor bar. It's compatible with all your Wii controllers and accessories for seamless gameplay. Keep your console powered safely and reliably. The smart power adapter features built-in protections against overcurrent and overvoltage for secure gaming. Experience vibrant visuals and clear audio with the high-quality AV cable. Its durable construction ensures a stable connection for lag-free gaming. This convenient bundle includes a wired sensor bar, AC power adapter, and AV cable. It's the perfect replacement and upgrade for your Wii setup. Specifically designed for the Nintendo Wii console, this kit enhances your gaming sessions. Please note it is not compatible with the Wii U. What we like. This is a comprehensive bundle designed to upgrade your Nintendo Wii setup. It includes an upgraded sensor bar for accurate motion control, a reliable power supply, and a good quality AV cable. If you're looking to get everything you need for enhanced power and precision for your Wii console in one convenient package, this bundle is ideal. What people say. The picture quality is surprisingly good for the price, with vibrant colors and sharp details. The cables are well made and feel durable, with sturdy connectors that fit snugly. Setup was a breeze, and the cables provided a stable connection without any signal loss. Number 1. Fosmon 4-way RCA Splitter AV Switcher. Tired of constantly switching cables? This device allows you to connect up to 4 different audio and video sources to a single display. It's perfect for your VCR, DVD player, gaming console, or any other RCA device. Getting started is incredibly simple. There's no need for extra power cords or complicated software installations. Just plug it in, and you're ready to go. Switching between your connected devices is a breeze. With easy-to-use mechanical buttons, you can select the input you want to view in an instant. Built with a sturdy metal casing, this selector box is designed for longevity. It's compact, tough, and even comes with a convenient RCA cable to get you started right away. Join countless satisfied customers who trust our products. We offer a limited lifetime warranty and dedicated customer support based right here in the USA. What we like. This RCA splitter allows you to connect up to 4 AV devices to a single display with ease. It's a plug-and-play solution with simple mechanical switching. If you have multiple RCA devices like DVD players or game consoles and need a straightforward way to switch between them without hassle, this sturdy metal switcher is a great option. What people say. The cable is well constructed with sturdy connectors. Provides a clear and crisp picture with no signal loss. Excellent for connecting older gaming consoles for optimal video output. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.